what do you do? Obviously, we'll solve for m. Here, it's a linear equation in one variable, m. It's a linear equation in one variable, m. So let's solve that. So what is this? This is 8m. This is 8m minus 3 is equal to, what is 24 plus 5? It is 29. Is that? So 8m is nothing but 29 plus 3. So what is 8m? It's nothing but 32. What is m? Obviously 32 by 8. What is that? 8 fours are. So what is the value of m is? 4. Simple example to take. How will you find the solution of linear equation? It is finding the value of that variable which satisfies that equations. Obviously, when you substitute m equal to 4 here, so what is that? 8 into 4 minus 3. 24 plus 5 is 29. 8 fours are 32 minus 3 is equal to 29. Obviously, the 29 is equal to 29. So obviously, it will satisfy that equation. So this is called the solution of that equation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll give you another example. Let's take another example. Solve this. Here you have what you have. You have a 7 plus 5x minus 31. So obviously 5x. What is the 7 minus 31 is? Obviously 7 minus 31 24. Is minus 24. 24. Minus 24 is equal to minus 25. So obviously 5x is equal to, send this minus 24 on the other side. It's 24. Already you have minus 25. So 24 minus 25 is minus 1. So what is x? It is minus 1 by 5. Is that? It's minus 1 by 5. That's what your solution is. Is that?
Yes, sir.
Equation 7 plus 5x minus 31 is equal to minus 25. So solve that. The 7 minus 31 is minus 24. We'll send minus 24 on the other side. It becomes plus 24. So 24 minus 25 is minus 1. So 5x is minus 1 means what is x? Obviously minus 1 by 5. Is that? Yeah.
How is minus 1?
Yes, it's minus 1. Here you have 24 now.
If you do it this way, sir. Sir, minus, sir, what? Okay, never mind. I got it.
24 minus 25, no?
Never mind, sir. I got it.
Yes. Perfect. So complete this. Done?
Yes, sir.
So perfect.
Yes, sir.
Let's take another example.
So 1 minute, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you show again? And so next.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Let me give you another example. Check this. Now this time, previously, we were discussing simple equations. Equations which doesn't have brackets. How will you solve, simple linear equations in one variable where they have brackets? Something like this example. Consider this example. Now what do here clearly here you have it's a linear equation because it contains the variables bar is 1 and it's a linear equation in one variable because you have only one variable x. So here how will you solve this equation where you have a brackets? So here what do you do is first
by using distributive
First open the bracket.
Yes, sir, by using distributive part.
Yes, yeah, by using distributive law you can solve these equations. Yes. So let's use distributive law in solving these equations. What is that? Solve this, get the solution. What is the solution?
Sir, it is 1. It's 1.
X is equal to 1.
Okay. X is equal to 1.
Yes, sir. It's 1.
Okay, let's check.
Sir, answer is 7/3.
Okay, 7/3. 15 minus 9, 7.
So 7/3.
7/3 is a perfect answer.
Yes, sir.
7/3 is a perfect answer. See, let's solve this. Very simple one. What do you do? First, we'll multiply LHS using distributive law. What is 9 into x? Obviously, 9 into x is, that is 9x.
9x.
9 into 1 is 9. That is your LHS. Your RHS 2 into 3 is 6x. 2 into 8 is 16. Done? Now take the 6x on the LHS and 9 on the RHS. So already you have 9x here. Take the 6x on the left hand side. It becomes minus 6x. Already you have RHS as 16. Take this 9 on the right hand side, becomes minus 9. Not clear? So it becomes minus 9. So let's solve this. What do you have?
3x is equal to 7.
3x is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. So obviously your x is nothing
Or
but
X
7
is
by.
equal to 7 by 3.
What's that?
Or you can convert this into mixed fraction also.
Not required. Let it be.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, while verifying, we have to first solve the brackets and then multiply by the outer number.
What are you saying? Please come again. Please.
Sir
What is
means
that?
here. Sir means here x plus 1, we have to solve the bracket and then multiply by 9, or we can first multiply by 9 and then solve.
Yes, first you have to do is you can multiply with 9 each and every term inside the bracket. That is the best way of doing it. So what do you do? Whatever outside number is there, multiply that with all the expression inside that bracket with that outside number. Something like what we have done, we have multiplied 9 with x and 9 with 1. So it becomes 9x plus 9. Is that? Here you have 3x plus 8. So multiply this with 2 with this. 3x becomes 6x. Multiply 2 with 8, it becomes 16. So what exactly you're doing? You're multiplying the outside number with the terms inside the bracket. Sometimes it's required, sometimes you come across questions where, first you have to solve the values inside the brackets. Solve the values inside the brackets. Make it a simple expression. Means something like if you have, something like 9x, x plus 7 minus 9, or 2 times 3x plus 8 minus 1. So what do you do? Obviously, instead of multiplying 9 each and every term, so what do you do? First, you solve the terms inside this, bracket. Just to give you an example to make you understand, something like 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Here 2 into, here 3x, 8 minus 1 is 7. Now you multiply. So whenever you have a simple terms, inside the bracket, so multiply the term outside with the terms in the bracket. If not, solve the terms inside the bracket, then multiply with the outside number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Let's move ahead. Let's take another example on brackets. Let me give you another example. Little bit, okay, let's take this example. Okay, solve this. On the LHS, here what do you have? You have 4 into 1 minus x plus 3 into 2 minus x. Your RHS is minus 4. So let's multiply this 4 with the terms inside this bracket. 4 ones, it is 4. 4 into minus x is minus 4x. Come to this, you have plus sign here. Then you have 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. That is equal to minus 4. Done? So here, your 4 plus 6 is 10. The minus 4x minus 3x is minus 7x is equal to minus 4. Done? We'll do one thing. This minus 7x, we'll send it on the right hand side. It becomes plus 7x. You send minus 4 on the LHS, it becomes plus 4. Is that? So what do you have? Your 7x is nothing but 14. So what is x? Obviously, Your x is nothing but 14 by 7, which is 2. Simple question. What do you do? Short that. What do you do? Here, first multiply the term outside with the terms inside the bracket. That is 4 into 1 is 4. Then you have 4 into minus x is minus 4x. Then plus, you have 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into minus x is minus 3x, which is equal to minus 4. But what you do is, your 4 plus 6 is 10. Minus 4x minus 3x is minus 7x. On the RHS, you have minus 4. Take this minus 4 on the other side, it becomes 10 plus 4. Minus 7x on the other side, it becomes plus 7x. So 7x is equal to 14. Your x becomes 14 by 7, which is equal to 2. Done? Guys, I'm sure it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just complete that.
Sir, we got it right.
You have completed well and good. Those who have not completed, solve that. Take that.